Hi guys, Andy here from Bath Bomb World. Today we are going to be making some shampoo bars. Really easy to make, smell absolutely wonderful and are absolutely fabulous on your hair. So what we're going to need, firstly we're going to need some sodium cocoa sulphate. Now this is 100% coconut derived and it is palm free. It's in the needle form, which is really important. You'll see why later. So that's sodium cocoa sulphate. You're going to be needing cetyl alcohol, which is a form of a wax. Also, you're going to be needing some BTMS 50, which is a conditioning emulsifier. You're going to need some aloe vera powder, some coconut oil, conditioning agent 39, Witch Hazel extract, colour, and some essential oils. Okay guys, step one, what we're going to do, we're in a pyrex jug. We're going to add our first lot of ingredients. We're going to be adding 20 grams of cetyl alcohol. This is like a form of a wax. We're going to be adding 50 grams of our BTMS. And 20 grams of coconut oil. And finally, we're going to be adding our conditioning agent 39. This is quite thick and syrupy. Make sure that goes all in there. Okay. So what we're going to do now, we're going to actually pop this into a bain-marie of water and we're going to melt this down until it is clear and liquid. So we're back shortly when we've done that. Okay, now we've got all our ingredients melted and we're going to add this to our mixer. In the bowl here we've got 500 grams of sodium cocoa sulphate needles. Like as I mentioned earlier, it is really important that you get the needle form. This is going to help the shampoo bar to stick together. So also what we're going to pop in here is our aloe vera powder. There we go. And on slow speed, we're going to add our melted liquids. Just let that incorporate a second. Now this is the point we're going to add 20 grams of Witch Hazel. And our essential oils. Now the essential oil I'm actually adding today, we're actually adding grapefruit. Now grapefruit oil is fantastic for greasy hair. It also adds volume and shine. Now I am going to be listing a list of different essential oils that you can use for different hair types, but also you can use fragrance oil if you wish. So at this point, as you can see, it's come together. It's coming together like almost like the center of a squishy Bounty bar. And this is what we want. So at this point, we're going to add our color. Now, if you are going to be making 2-color or 3-color or multicolored shampoo bars. At this point, just like making bath bombs, you'll separate your batch and add your colour. Today, we're only going to be doing one colour for the video. So we're going to be using a Liquidyze Vivid Violet. So you only need a few drops. So go sparingly because Liquidyze are very strong. A little bit more. And just make sure that colour is fully incorporated into the mix. Okay, and we're now ready for moulding. So I'll just set up the press and I'll be back shortly. Okay, we're now ready for moulding. Now I'm actually using my hand press from Bath Bomb Express, which is fantastic for moulding shampoo bars. You don't have to have a press. You can use a moon press or cookie cutters, but you just need to make sure that you really pack down the mix when you're making the bars. So what I'm going to do, you can fill the mold right to the top, and you can, unlike making bath bombs, you can sort of squish this down quite tightly, like so. I'm going to pop that under the press, give it a good push down, like so. Knock it out. Give it a good smack, and there we have your perfect grapefruit shampoo bar. Now, as I say, these are really easy to make. I'll just bring this up so you can see a bit better. So you can see me back in. Push it all the way in. You can, as I say, pack it quite firmly. Under the press, good push down. Like so. Another shampoo bar. Okay guys, that is really how easy this is. These bars will last forever. And everybody's going to love them. They create so much suds on in your hair. They're really good for your hair, and your customers are going to love them. I'm going to get on and finish making this batch. I hope you enjoy making these as much as I do. All the recipe and ingredients are available on bathbombworld.com.au. Okay guys, see you later. Bye.